Searching for how to buy shares of China Life Insurance, HK, a major life insurer operating in Hong Kong and mainland China, listed on the HKEX under the ticker 2628. HK. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. You need a broker to buy 2628. HK, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker 2628 HK to find China Life Insurance HK. Select the matching result to ensure you have the correct stock listed on HKEX. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm it's China Life Insurance HK trading on HKEX. Double-check the ticker 2628 HK and the exchange listed before proceeding. To buy, open the trade panel, enter the amount you want to invest, review order details such as order type, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order will queue until the next session, and if you don't have enough funds, the platform will ask you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform.